The Nigerian Police Force has dismissed and arraigned Inspector Joseph Ozuwanji, the officer said to be responsible for the shooting and killing of Enugu traditional Ogene musician Okeziemba, popularly known as Igbo Jah. According to the Enugu State Command spokesperson, DSP Daniel Ndukwe, this action follows an orderly room trial, but the officer was found culpable of murder.
Dark before Chief Magistrate Ngozi Edani at the Enugu East Court 1 is a dismissed officer, Joseph Ozuwanji, formerly of the rank of an inspector attached to Anti-Cultism Police Squad, Enugu Command. Ozuwanji faces charges of murder for unlawfully killing the Ogene traditional musician Okeziemba, alias Igbo Jah, by firing multiple rounds with an AK-47 rifle, which led to the musician's death last Friday night. After arraignment, the Chief Magistrate ordered that the case file be sent to the Enugu State Attorney General for further action, as she remanded Ozuwanji at the Enugu State Correctional Center.
As a matter of fact, this is not one case we wanted to see happen. You're talking about a human life. Policemen generally will have that responsibility to protect. But if for whatsoever reason, any police officer for whatever reason misuses firearm, the liability is on the person. And that is exactly what has happened today.
We'll ensure that justice is done, and not just done, that it is expeditiously done.
While Monday court session was on, the Enugu State government demonstrated more support by again paying another visit to the family of the late musician less than 24 hours. This time, the government announced scholarships for Igbo Jah's children, covering the education up to university levels.
We're also here to tell your people and your husband's people that whatever that is your concern and your welfare is now the responsibility of Enugu State government. That will make sure that you're well taken care of and the impact of your husband's death will be cushioned.
Both the Enugu State government and the Nigerian police have reiterated their commitment to ensuring that justice is fully served in this case. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.